Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are rolling out upper body only. Go ahead and grab your foam roller, grab your yoga mat. Before we get started, don't forget February's calendar is available. Click the link, sign up, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start off with our back. Ooh, I need this so bad. So here we go, lower back first. Put the roller right at the base of your back, not at the tailbone, but above the tailbone. And we are going to slowly roll out, lifting your butt off the ground, holding yourself up with your feet, of course, and just slowly rolling. So you can hurt yourself because of the unevenness of the weight here. So when you're coming up, I recommend bringing your shoulders forward and almost tucking your body. So tucking your butt up and rolling out this lower part of your back. So here you're nice and neutral, but the lower you go, the more you want to bring your shoulders forward and tuck up your body, because you don't want your back to end up like this and your shoulders to be down here. You could hurt yourself. So coming up, we're going to roll out nice and easy. Like I said, here we go. This is the motion. Shoulders are forward, glutes are up off the ground, and I'm getting that lower back coming all the way down. It feels so good. Nice and easy. Breathing. Oh, I had a pop there. That's what we need. Find those tension points and just kind of sit, rock back and forth on that area. Oh, that feels good. I've got some shoulder tension, I feel it. Arms go back, head comes down, get the upper shoulder area. If you have your hair down, I recommend putting it up. It sucks to get your hair caught underneath the roller, because then when you move and your head is caught, it's not comfortable. It's happened to me so many times, ladies. Make sure you have your hair up in a bun at least, because even a ponytail can get stuck. You found me. Coming forward, breathing through it. Feel the tension points and stay there. We've got one right here. Great job leaning from side to side so you can get that lats. Get your latissimus dorsi right here. Ooh. That's nice. Perfect. So for upper body, you don't really roll the front of your body, right? Because, what are you gonna do? Roll your stomach and your boobs? It doesn't really work like that, for me anyway. I'm sure men can do it if that's something that they're into. I've never seen it. So we're mostly focusing on the back here. You want to move your arms in different positions, targeting different muscles. So you can bring your hands up behind your head. You can let your arms outside to side. Bring your arms up over here. Lean to the left, lean to the right. And feel your body. You use your words like they are. We're also going to roll out our sides too. Get creative with it though. And trying to be tough. Whatever feels good to you. Take a break if you want to. You can lean all the way back if it's comfortable for you. Extending your arms out. This is a nice stretch. Relaxing into it. Feel your shoulders dropping. Your muscles releasing the tension. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on, shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so nice. Get over yourself. I'm gonna put it a little bit lower and do the same thing here. Go down slowly. Where are you looking? Bring your shoulders down. Let your legs fall into a relaxed position and hold. Big breaths into your belly. Feel better by taking me down. expanding the diaphragm, releasing the air. So relaxing to hear the leaf blower from the gardener outside. Hey, somebody's gonna do that, and I'm happy about it. Coming down a little bit more, and same thing here. Slowly lower your body down until you're comfortable. Let him do his thing. Hopefully you guys don't have to hear that. Maybe it's just me, it's so loud though. All right, here you go. Drop your legs into a relaxed position. You might feel pretty uncomfortable like this. I'm not gonna lie. Especially if you have back pain, it might feel like too sensitive. It's not normal, it doesn't feel good. So just go as low as you can go. Let all the tension fall off your body. Legs are relaxed, shoulders are fine. Great job. Very good stretch. All right, to come up out of this position, put your elbows down by the roller and bring yourself up. Don't just push from your back. We're gonna move to one side here. So coming up off the mat just a little bit, we're gonna roll lightly our rib area. We don't wanna put too much weight on this area, it's very gentle. And then coming up into the underarm area, this is a great area to roll. We've got lymph nodes down over here, but be gentle also. Moving up and down. So coming into the shoulder area here, this is so easy to roll and it feels so great because these pockets are hard to stretch, they're hard to roll. So when you get this angle, you just want to feel what feels good to you. Roll it out, move towards it, move away from it. Here we go. Up into the tricep. Ooh, that's painful.
I just wanna be your Superman. Come fly with me, just take my hand.
Right, bringing the shoulder parallel to the roller. We're gonna roll this area here. There we go. Top of the shoulder now. A little bit of the upper back. Feels so nice. Great job. All right, we're gonna go ahead and switch sides. I'm gonna turn over. Same thing, lightly on the ribs, starting at the bottom. We've got obliques here, muscles all down the side. Bringing this up onto the rib cage, nice and easy, guys. And then coming up from there. That's a knot right there. I'm just gonna leave the roller on the knot for a second, let it put the pressure on it. As we look back and forth a little bit to release some of the tension. That literally hurts so good.
We let our love shine all through the night. Just you and me, babe, until the morning.
So I'm going for a massage tomorrow. You guys know I do my weekly massage. Oh, I really need it. I didn't get a massage at all when I was overseas. All right, here we go. Bringing it forward, parallel to the roller.
Stay up until the morning.
Walking back and forth. Roll out this whole area here. Get into those little pockets. Find the tension points like I just did. Oh my gosh. And slightly just work them out. That's all this is for.
Look to the right, nothing can stop me.
top of the shoulder, top of the back area. Feels so good. Ow, it hurts so bad. All right, that's nice. Moving into it, again, we're gonna go one more round on the back, and then we're done. It's a short rollout. Upper body's easy. So I highly recommend massages, you guys. If you have pain, if you have tension, if you, honestly, everybody, not even if you have pain, if you have tension. I don't have pain, I don't have tension. I just love a good massage. And you know, your muscles love it too for recovery. So if you're doing my workouts and you're working out with me all the time and you're seeing the progress you want to see, your muscles need some type of relief. Sundays are a great day to go and just relax. Take some time for self-care.
Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night.
All the way up.
I'm leaving all the bad stuff.
Here we go. Sitting on the roller. Tailbone is so nice too to roll out this area. It is part of the back. Put your arms behind you so you can get the lowest part of your back.
From my emotions, I'll go. Into better times.
All right, guys, that is
To better times.
the rolling for today. What is this? It's like a piece of fuzz in there. Don't forget, if you're ready to do a nice workout, I'll leave one on the screen right here. You guys can work out with me. You can roll out as a cool down or as a warm up. Totally depends. No, I can't get off. Depends on what you want. I recommend it as a cool down. It's great for sore muscles. Even if you haven't worked out for a couple days, if you just have sore muscles, it's great for that. If you're sitting a lot at your desk for work, it's great for that. It's good for everything. All right, guys. See you in the next video.